Well, officer, I choose United States because Nepal is a developing country with limited mental health resources. And United States have a strong educational sector in worldwide and also known for their renowned degree. And USA has a respected degree rather than other country. And study in United States, it's allowed me to achieve my personal and professional goals and also help me to help me it also helped me to gain knowledge and skill about psychology and also help me to benefit my home country and community. That's why I choose.
Okay, very good. And tell me, which degree program have you chosen, and at which university?
I'm going to pursue my bachelor degree in psychology from Morehead State University, which is located in Morehead, Kentucky.
Okay. And why did you choose psychology, Ankita?
Officer, I choose psychology because I have a valuable experience in patient care and healthcare, and as I'm from nursing background, and I develop this interest in mental health condition through my work, and I have some personal vision. Talking about my personal vision, my sister is I see my sister who is suffering from mental breakdown. At that time I realized that mental health is also important, and I always considered that mental health should be valuable equal as a physical health. And after research, I found that my country has a significant shortage of mental health professionals. In Nepal, there are around 30 psychologists. That's why I choose.
Yeah, well, you've chosen a valuable field to work in. Why did you choose Murray State University?
Well, obviously, I choose Morehead State University because Morehead State University is considered a higher-ranked university with a strong program in psychology, and also Morehead State University known for their high-quality education with special emphasis on research and sustainable development. And also, Morehead State University is affordable for me, and this factor, the Morehead State University is ideal place for me to pursue my bachelor degree and a successful career in psychology. That's why I chose.
Okay, very good. And tell me about the psychology department at Murray State. Who is the dean of the department? And
Dr. Daniel Wants.
Yes.
And Dr. Renty Wills.
Okay. And have you had contact with either of these professors?
Yes, I just try to communicate in email.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Very good. And tell me about your first semester of classes there. Your first semester of classes. What classes will you be taking the first semester at Murray State?
Introduction of psychology, and there is a lot of subject in bachelor in psychology, introduction of psychology and method of psychology, research and abnormal disorder and human psychology, human behavior. There's a lot of.
Okay. And so let's tell me what the tuition and living costs are to study at Murray State University.
Officer, my tuition fee is 15,036 USD, and my living expenses 11,680 USD, and my incident expenses is 2,236, and my total cost is 28,948 USD.
Okay. Do you have any scholarship?
No, officer, but I'm capable of getting a scholarship. But my university have certain policy. They will give me a scholarship after my visa and university involvement. They will give me definitely.
Okay. And are you planning to work while you're on the campus?
No, officer, I'm not working there because I'm gonna focus on my study because my parents are fully able to take my all living expenses while I stay in United States.
What do your parents do?
Officer, my mother is a businesswoman and he run wholesale grocery store. In his annual income is around 32,000 USD. And apart, my father is in Indian Army and his annual pension is around 7,000 USD. It's combined 39,000 USD. $39,000.
Okay. Do you have any savings in place?
Yes, officer, we have saving 37,000 USD in Noble Bank. My parents saving for my education.
Do you have any land?
Yes, officer, I have 2 land and 1 house, and it's how one land is around 171.1 square meter, and it's approximately 80,000 USD.
Okay. Do you have the documentation for all of the figures that you give me regarding your finances?
Yes, officer, I have, but I didn't carry here. But if you want, I can provide you definitely.
Okay. And please tell me, how will you make your university a better place?
Well, officer, I will be morally trained and I will go do my hard work to achieve good degree. And also, I'm gonna participate like orientation program and other program and other organization like with my international friends and try to do my hard work to achieve good degree.
Very good. And what do you see yourself doing in 10 years' time, Ankita?
Officer, I see myself in 10 years. I want to be a successful in psychology in Nepal. And after completing my study, I will return my home country and I want to work with Nepal Psychology Association. It's in Pokhara and as a counselor. And for my long-term goal, I open my own clinic to provide who are mental health condition. And also I'm rising awareness program about mental health program. And also I want to benefit my home country and family.
Wow, very nice plan. Yes.
Yes.
Wonderful. But what if I deny your visa today? What are you going to do, Ankita?
Officer, I'm confident that you will not reject my visa. If there is a problem, I will immediately correct that problem, and I respect the decision of embassy, and I will reapply because I have a sincere desire to pursue my bachelor degree from Morehead State University.
Okay, very good, Ankita. Based on the answers you give me today, I'm happy to grant your
Thank you so
visa
much,
to study.
sir.